Hello Pisces, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Pisces, this is your reading for the month of May. This is a general reading. Take what resonates, only what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Pisces, we'll see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. I'm shuffling the cards. I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know. I'll appreciate if you hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. Pisces, two cards have already jumped out. We have 10 of cups. Then we have the page of cups. Pisces, let's see what you need to know. Let's see what you need to know, Pisces, for the month of May. What do you need to know for the month of May? We have the World, the Sun card, the Two of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, we have Page of Wands. Very strong Sagittarius energy. You might be dealing with Sagittarius, you might be dealing with Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. You might see a lot of 222, 22, 22. You might see 11, 11, triple one. You might see, I heard number 19. Number 19, 20, 21. All right. Okay. If the sign or the number pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. Pisces, what you need to know. I think so. Some unexpected offer is coming towards you. Unexpected offer of love. For some of you, Pisces, you probably are thinking that a connection with someone has come to an end. Things between you and someone has come to an end on a permanent basis. But then this person is going to surprise you. I think so. You guys are in no contact situation since a very long time. Okay. And maybe you have given up hopes regarding the situation or regarding this person. I do feel like you are almost on the verge of healing yourself from this entire situation. Okay. And maybe you were waiting for this person to come towards you for last couple of months, but this person did not come towards you, and all of a sudden this person is coming towards you, and they might come towards you in a very surprising manner. They might like literally stand outside of your door, and you are going to open the door and you're going to see this person standing outside of your door, and you're going to be like, what the heck? What are you doing over here? Okay. Or probably this person might give you a drunk call in the midnight. Okay. From someone else's number. Even if you have blocked this person might use someone else's phone, and they might give you a drunk call in the midnight. For some of you, this person might send his friends or someone or his acquaintances to convey a message to you, and their friends might catch you somewhere outside, and they might tell you, hey, um, are you Pisces? Okay, this is what your person is trying to tell you. Your person is not doing good without you. Your person is really sad. Your person is missing you like crazy. Your person really wants to talk to you. He has a lot of fear of talking to you, because he fears that you have moved on, or you probably have dismissed this person entirely. You're angry on them, and etc etc. But deep down, this person is missing you so much. This person wants you. This person is going crazy without you. Probably this person might also have experienced depression in between. Okay. But this person, somewhere I feel like they are, like, they have made up their mind that they are going to convey their feelings to you. Okay. In whichever way possible it is, either directly or indirectly through their friends and etc or acquaintances. So this person, in the month of May, I think so, expect a confession. Pisces, expect a confession out of nowhere. This person is going to confess their feelings for you, and not only confess their feelings. For some of you, this person might even end up proposing. Like, you know what, Pisces, I have really strong feelings for you, and I really want to marry you. Okay, can we get married? I want you to marry me. And you will be like, what? We were in a period of separation for last couple of months, and you're coming towards me and you're proposing me. Okay. So you might be like, you might find yourself getting a bit confused. You might be like, first of all, you gotta address that I was being hurt by you? Why did you do things to me, whatever you did to me? And what about the separation period? Where were you? And etc. etc. You do have a lot of questions at the back of your mind, and you want answers related to all of those questions. And yes, this time around, this person is not going to run away from any sort of confrontation. Whatever questions you have, this person will confidently answer all those questions. That's what I'm getting. Because somewhere I feel like this person has come to this realization that, both of you are meant to be together. There is something that is going to keep on calling both of you together again and again. Okay, whatever, how much ever you try to distance yourself from each other, there is a strong bond, there is a strong connection that will always keep on always keep on manifesting union between between both of you. And this person, probably they have also gotten a reading done on you. They have gotten a tarot card reading on you. And this person probably got to know that you guys had a past life connection, and in this lifetime you guys have come together. In many lifetimes you were together, as a couple, and in this lifetime as well, you have come together to fulfill that purpose. You have come together to get married, to live a healthy couple life, etc. etc., to share happiness, to share love with one another, right? So I think so this person, I mean, they have given a substantial amount of thought to this connection with you, and they are finally coming towards you with a very big proposal, with a very big offer, something that will be very tempting. And this time around, I do feel like you're going to sense a lot of sincerity in the conversation. You're going to sense a lot of honesty and transparency in the conversation, because of which even you will be probably forced to re-evaluate your plans of moving on, re-evaluate your plans of putting an end to this connection, re-evaluate your plans of being with someone else. Okay, because somewhere deep down, even you loved this person, deep down even you wanted to be with this person, and your all those emotions which you had kind of suppressed inside you, all those emotions are going to flare up, and all those emotions will come to the surface. And I do strongly feel like happiness is something that you're going to experience in the month of May, especially in matters of love and romance. And yes, things are changing. If at all you were experiencing stagnancy in your love life, that is gonna change. You will see you becoming happy all over again. And this time around, if this person was not responsible in the past, this time around this person will be responsible. This time around this person will take up the onus and the responsibility wherever they should be taking up the responsibility. I think so. During the separation period, this person has also worked on his or her finances. Okay, maybe that was an issue in the past, but they have utilized the separation period to work on their finances. Maybe that is also one of the reason why this person was away and silent for a long time, because this person was had they had put their heart and soul into working on their finances, something that they were embarrassed about, probably. Like, you had to take up all the financial responsibility, and they were not contributing towards the financials. They were not contributing financially towards this connection. That was a bit embarrassing for them, so that was a priority. Working on their finances was a priority for them, and I think so they used the separation period to work on their finances. Okay, so someone from the past is definitely coming towards you. Yeah, they have done a lot of self introspection. They have evaluated this connection, re-evaluated this connection, re-evaluated their own feelings towards you. So some of you will be like, I want a new person. Let's see what is the information that you need to know when it comes to the new person. We have the star card, we have 5 of cups, the justice, then we have the Ace of Wands. So, any one of you, if you felt like life was unfair, your love life has been very unfulfilling so far, I think so. The new person that is going to come towards you is going to give you that emotional fulfillment in a relationship. Okay, the voids that you have experienced so far in all of your romantic relationships, those voids will be fulfilled by this new person that is going to come towards you. You'll have a very passionate new beginning with this new person. I do feel for some of you, you're attracting a person who already has a celebrity status, or probably who is doing very well on social media. This person has millions and millions of followers. This person probably is making some good amount of money through social media. This person probably has also invested their money into other ventures. You're attracting someone who is going to be, who is a very busy person, and probably it is also likely that this person might absorb you into their business. Okay, they will be like, you know what, you take care of couple of businesses and I'm going to take care of couple of businesses, and let's run my business empire together. This person will kind of trust you blindly. This person will have full faith in you and in your abilities, and that will actually kind of motivate you to give your best. That's what I'm feeling. And you are going to feel so charged up while whenever you will be around this person. This person, they do have some sort of a magnetic aura, they do have some sort of a high energetic personality, because of it, whoever is associated with this person or whoever is working with this person, they also feel extremely high, they also feel extreme high energy. uh this person is going to be very emotional when it comes to you, very sensitive when it comes to you, and this person is going to be very loving and caring towards you. Somehow I feel like this person is also very emotionally intelligent. This person will know right away that you have been through a lot of unfulfilling situations, undeserving situations, and you never got treated the way you should be treated. And they are going to make sure, they are going to put in the effort, Spices, to give you what you deserve. And yes, sex is going to be extremely healing in this connection. I also see like their love language is going to be about gifting you something amazing. Like they will keep on gifting you some sort of expensive things. That's what I'm hearing. What else you need to know regarding the new person? The temperance, lot of emotional stability. This is going to be a slow moving connection, so don't expect marriage right away. Marriage will happen for sure in this connection, but this is going to be slow moving connection. One of the reasons it's going to be slow moving is this person is going to be extremely busy, extremely busy. Judgment. You will have to free yourself from the past to truly enjoy this connection. I mean, that is the obvious thing, but spirit wants me to convey this specifically, Pisces, to you. Okay. So let's see what you need to know when it comes to your career and your finances, Pisces, for the month of May. What do you need to know when it comes to your career and your finances? Four of Pentacles, we have Nine of Swords, and we have the Queen of Swords, and then we have Knight of Wands, and then we have the Four of Wands. Don't be a spendthrift. Spend your money carefully. If you keep on spending your money recklessly, you might end up regretting your financial decisions. Also, I feel like take take help or consult an expert regarding financial management. That's what I'm getting, especially if you want to invest your money somewhere in SIPs, mutual funds, or stock market, or anywhere else. Consult an expert and then take some decisions. Don't make any rash decisions, Pisces. Okay, don't make any decisions without thinking through. In fact, investing your money into some stable assets will be, rather than risky assets, into some stable assets where you will see some guaranteed returns, like fixed deposits, or probably, see, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm hearing. And this is not a channel where you're going to receive financial advisory. You go and you contact a financial expert. But this is what I heard. If you invest your money into fixed deposits, if you invest your money into real estate as well, is something that I'm hearing, where you will be, you will be happy and satisfied over there. Like, I have invested money into the right resources. You can also invest in stock market, but make sure that you are checking, the you're doing things only after consulting an expert, whether stock market or anywhere else. Please consult an expert. What do you need to know when it comes to your health? The Magician, the Strength, the Queen of Pentacles. I think so you're manifesting strength. You probably are feeling lack of strength, but if maybe at the moment you're feeling a lack of strength, but in the month of May that strength is coming back, and you're manifesting a fantastic body for yourself. You're manifesting healthy glow on your face. You're manifesting good skin, good looks, Probably for some of you, you're experiencing some allergies, some swellings because of that, and you're sick and tired of that. So whatever problems you're facing at the moment, those problems will go away in the month of May. The allergies will go away, swellings will go away. If at all you are undergoing some medication right now, some antibiotics and etc., anti-inflammatory something, that is going to go away in the month of May. You will be free of any sort of problems that you're dealing with right now. Okay. I'm also hearing that some it's important for you to rest at times. You do not rest enough is what I'm hearing. You do not give importance to rest. Okay, you need to rest and you need to relax. For some of you, you're also facing anxiety problems. Okay, but that those anxiety problems will also go away. Rather, you will find yourself becoming more confident. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye. This is your spread, Pisces, for the month of May. Take care and bye.